Okay, wait for a while. Uh, Okay, testing one, two, testing one, two. Can you hear me? Okay, testing one, two. Discord, Discord, Discord. Let me go on the Discord first. Oops. Hey guys, check one, two, check one, two. Max 15. Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, we're waiting for everyone, right? Two, two, four, 12, 12. Okay. Okay, soundtracks. Everyone can hear me or not? If you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me. At the same time, I'm checking on the YouTube to make sure that. Okay. Right now, hi. Hi, Melissa V. Hi, Falcon. How are you? Got shot like Justin Lawson? No. He shot for 3K so small. I mean, like $500, $800. Come on, man. We don't shot that amount of money. I mean, yeah, I didn't shot, seriously. Plan to shot. If we focus on my life, basically, you already know we are shorting. Okay, right now I'm just trying to turn on the Discord to make sure that everyone can to come in first. Sorry. Nowadays, quite lots of influencer. Wait, okay. Finally, I get back my circle. Because just now I was trying on my the camera, but it is not because I'm the yeah. Finally, I get to show my circle face. Okay, transitions start. Yes, perfect right now. Hi Tan, hi Zenhao, hi Malasalvi, hi Falcons. Okay, the others, everyone that stays in. Oopsie, new windows. Okay, everyone in Discord, maybe let me share screen first. Okay, great, perfect. Everyone in Discord, can you hear me? If you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me. So today is 8:03 right now. As usual, our live will be very quick one, so wouldn't take a lot of time. We just focus on what we plan to do later on. Because right now Bitcoin is just really becomes downtrend, become bear market right now. So basically here we need to do some planning. If not, you'll be waste a lot of opportunity. At the same time, you're gonna waste a lot of money because if you keep on going for long or keep on buying more Bitcoin, you get yourself into trouble, man. Okay. So before I'm going further, why am I wearing so formally today at home? Weird. How is everyone today? If you are feeling great, you are very happy because of changing to bear market, changing to downtrend, you type happy. Okay, let me know. If you are feeling very sad, you're still holding a lot of coin on your hand and you're planning to run, you're planning to leave the market, or you haven't left the market, you haven't exit at all, you haven't sell at all, just type sad. Let me know, please. Okay, because everyone have different thoughts. I was also thinking about I don't know where it's just what is the current situations right now. Okay, we got about 25, we got about 30 people in YouTube, and there's like 30 in, well, almost 30 in Discord. We got Melvin and we got Nasi Lemak. Okay, 2023. Falcon is really happy. Can I aim Bitcoin at 60,000 or lower? Okay, Adam is like David. Okay, good, whatever. I mean, yep. Hi, Blue Horse. Blue Horse means Lanma. Nice name. Because I'm 90, so I'm a horse. And you're saying that Blue Horse. Looks good, sounds good. I like it. Some more like a unicorn, isn't it? Okay, Kingman. Hello, Kingman. Guys, it's been a while. Sorry for yesterday because of the postpone for the live today because seriously something came up, so I have to force to just change it to today. Okay, what's a great day today? Come, let me go to the charts here. So not going too much too long grammar stories, straightforward here today. Okay, so we just go to DL Bouvet first. Okay, so Bouvet given us a signal, but it cheated us. That's why I'm saying DL downtrend. Okay, market sounds like bull wave is green, but RBS DL is downtrend. Everything is going down. 440 days down. So we already mentioned that it is going down. Okay, but there's something that got cheated. Everyone is because of this pump. Okay, this pump. Normally it feels like come down, then straight away a bit, maybe a bit like this, then continue come down, but it goes up a bit more. So yes, I believe that based on this I still remember this is the last 2 weeks analysis. Okay, we are saying that based on the rules reason. Okay, the reason is 4 reasons is going down, only 2 reasons going up. That time bull wave is still green in color 2 weeks ago. Okay, but I'm saying that everything's down. So it's rather better than just aim go down rather than go up. Okay, but still end of the month, right? Everyone still believe that it's going to be a bull market. We don't know, seriously. Okay, because we can't be like too trend, I mean, too directional based. We cannot be like just like, how to say, it's too single directional based. We need to have a mutual, I mean, a very rational thinking that saying that it maybe it's different way, we don't know. Okay, so someone saying that, do you think we headed down already? Adam, you didn't watch my live definitely. You can watch back the 2 weeks ago. The live itself is saying very clear about it. Okay, so keep it up. Watch more. It's already down for like. So the video there's a very funny thumbnail saying that I got myself trapped. Yeah, I wanted to bring it out to everyone. It's about that. Okay, today I will be giving a bit of education content, maybe a bit of grammar story, but I'm hoping that everyone get to learn that too. Okay, by referring bull wave indicator, right? You know when we are tradings, right? If you want to make money, it's not about the strategies. Like let's say you can see bull wave itself, red color, there's a signal tell me that this DL is downtrend. Okay, when DL is downtrend, there's a big candle that comes down, it tells you that this is downtrend. Okay, but somehow, right, there's so many fake signal, there's so many noise over here that confuse you that this is not the down yet. So we are waiting for bull wave. Bull wave done red color since here. Okay, it's about 109,000 here. It turns it turns red. So a lot of times, right? Then after that, on the next few days, pumps up back, then it becomes green, and it comes down again. And also, if you watch my live, right, I stated very clear that if it pumps up back, you need to wait for 3 days. You cannot immediately buy on the next day because of I'm worried for fake pump. That's what we are very into. Okay, 116K. Okay, I remember one of the Discord students saying that he believed that he will go up to 117K, which is quite accurate. Congratulations. For me, I'm looking for about 113 only. Okay, so it is slightly more of it causing a fake pump, then it comes back down here. So doesn't matter. What's really important is about we draw a line that 130, as long as I said before, as long as break 113,000 more than more than 3 days, and it stays above, then it's very genuine one. But sorry, no, it breaks up to 116, then on the next day it becomes 113 really. So next 2 days, I would say next 2 days. And no, next day becomes 113th. Okay. So right now we know that, hey, we don't talk about past already. Right now we need to see that, hey, David, right now it's November, so we still November and December. Is it still going to become an uptrend? Okay, right now, right, there's no more reason. It's about, okay, number five, bull wave is in red right now. So, okay, of course. So market always believe that, okay, right now it's five versus one, five versus one, uptrend only one, five thing that is going down. Okay, so based on such a scenario, what should we do first? If not, right, we'll be like start to worrying about, hey, my coin. How many of you are still holding coin on your hand? If you're still holding a coin on your hand, right, type coin on. Okay, type coin. Let me know. Okay, how many of you still holding lots of coin in your hand? Just type coin. Let me know, please. Okay, especially those that in Discord lah. I'm seeing that my Discord. Oh, there's the. Oh, BCC is having a VIP live stage. There's a different one. Okay. Good one. Oh, there's a two live is running together. That's why I'm wondering where's the people. So come. Let's come back here. Okay, we need to step by step. First of all, RVS ready finish. There's no more RVS ready because as I said, it pumps up back, it stays around here, it becomes RVS. This is RVS. When you say this is RVS, if it stays around here for more than few days, this is going to come down. And also this is 0.5, is it? Yeah, 0.5. Fake pump come down. Okay, so take a look. Right now, right, based on bull wave is the green and the red color, right? This is red in color, which means this is downtrend. And also we are referring on RVS on based on last 2 weeks, you can watch back. Basically we are referring on if the price stay around 107,000 to 113,000, right? This is a sign of downtrend. Okay, and also DL is downtrend, obviously. Okay, 540 days after halving is October. If you didn't watch my live previously, right, remember to listen before. Every in 2018, right, every cycle, right, every cycle after halving 520 to 540 days, it becomes the bear market. So when it's halving date, remember you can cross back and check and see before the halving date in 2016, 2020, when is the halving date. So after 540 days or 100 after 520 days later, it becomes a all-time high. It becomes all-time high, and when it crashed down, that is the bear market started. And this is what happened. So in 2020, it's 2022 halving time, right? What happened? Sorry, 2022, but 2024 halving. 540 days is October 13. So it's really October 7, I think, it's all-time high. Then from there crash until now. So basically it repeat the same history again based on last two cycle. Okay, but someone saying that maybe this is the fake drop, yet we still standing 100,000. We are still wearing a lot of confidence. ETF is still coming in. You know, when every single cycle, there's a lot of reason. You know, there's a fucking lot of reasons saying that Bitcoin is going to becomes a bull market, Bitcoin become 1 million, whatever. That's a freaking lot of reason. You don't believe the reason. Don't listen to other people. Don't listen to me. Listen to the chart. Listen to yourself. Okay. Always don't listen to your brain. Also listen to yourself. Listen to fact, but not about your brain. Your brain will always tell you that I think that this is not the end yet. I think. Don't take that. You don't think about it's not the end yet. Okay, got it? So what is the best thing right now, right? I would say, right? Okay, let's start to plan about bear market. Is it confirmed that it's bear market? As long as this is red in color, I'm telling you that this is the bear market. As long again, as long as this is red in color, this is the bear market. So you need to ask yourself that, hey, David, so if imagine that today, if you're holding for 3 years later, fine, you hold it. I wouldn't stop you. Okay. So you need to ask yourself, what is your end goal? Today you are trading in Bitcoin, you're buying Bitcoin and trading crypto, invest in Bitcoin, right? You must always remember that you need a system to make money. A system. A system, it is not like you need a strategy. A strategy is just telling you that when to buy, when to sell. But when you need a system, which means that you need a capital system, a capital system to tell you that how much money to put it in. Okay, and you need execution engines, which means that you need to know when to execute. A lot of people, right, the biggest problem is about they can't execute. When they say that this is the time to buy, but they feel scared, or this is the time for them to sell, they are afraid to sell. That is the biggest issue. That's why, after so long for educations, right, we are combining everything into one system, a system that telling everyone that you need a capital system, how much you're putting in. If you're putting $1,000, how much you need to go into futures, how much you need to go into spot. But when you're putting in, when it talks about executions engines, right, the engine is about execute that buying altcoin, buying Bitcoin, when to buy, how to buy, and how much to buy to. But at the end, right, it comes back to our mindset that you need to understand it combines everything together that give you a best end result. I'm like you since 2015, right? I don't know every one of you are here. I bought Bitcoin at 980. I don't want to sell. I'm afraid to sell. And Bitcoin from 980 drops until $500, which is like I'm crazy like hell. My only saving of 100K ringgit Malaysia, okay, in 2015, but it crashed down to I lost about 50%, 50 over percent. Yeah, I'm like, I already thought that I want to sell everything, but lucky that I got my brothers. My brother tell me that, Justin tell me that, hey, don't sell. Do I need the money? I say, I don't need the money right now. Yeah, if you don't need the money, why not just put it in first? You just leave it. Believe me. Okay, fine. I say, doesn't matter since this is like 50K. I mean, not a big, I mean, I'm not urgent for money during that time. So I'm lucky for that. I'm just hold until it's about 16,000. I sell everything off. So yeah. So we come back here is about, right, it depends on your end goal. Your end goal, if you're saying that, lots of students, right, they're saying that, hey, David, I got the end goal. My end goal is I believe that Bitcoin will go into 1 million or Bitcoin go into 300,000, 400,000 in next 2 years or next 3 years. If you got that belief, right, straight, it's okay. It's okay. Just hold it. Keep on buying DCA. You can keep on buying. For me, I would prefer that when every time it's the uptrend, only you buy, which means that the blue line is above the red line, only you buy. You keep on accumulating it when it's uptrend. So when it's like red in color, you don't buy. Let's say if you want to buy 10% every time, right? Let's say you got 100K, you don't buy 10K every time, right? When you can do it like this. When the price goes down, you don't buy. But when it turns red, blue color go above the red one, you can write down. You can write down this education. This is not a directional. This is a way of handling our capital. It's about when blue becomes above red, you can just buy 10K. Okay, but if you accumulate for 2 to 3 times already, which means that 3 months you didn't get to buy, right? You can one shot buy 30K. This is why how Justin, you can Justin go for short. It's exactly the same thing. We know that no matter how it is going to become a bear market. When it becomes a bear market, yes, just short it. He almost shorted for 1 year, 1 year. Okay, not a big money, but somehow the biggest loss during that time is about 7 to 8,000. Okay, so right now I would say, take note. Okay, I got another 12 minutes here because we're having after that I'm having a mentorship students about there's a 8 students from Vietnam, so I'm there to cover them, to making sure that they can hands on to know how to hold their coins. But we come back here first. 18, okay. So in this 18 minutes, right? First thing in these 12 minutes, right, you need to know that right now it's bear market. So when bear markets, right, if you say that you want to buy right now, you don't buy. Okay, you need to write down. You don't buy right now. Buy when blue lines above red lines. This is called a DR uptrend. Okay, that's the first scenario. If you say want to be more safe, buy when bull wave turn green in color, which is yes. Okay, got it. So if you are telling me that, David, is this the last hope? Is this going to be a last bull market? I would say, huh. Whenever this is red color, I will not believe that this is uptrend. I'm not going to buy at all until it becomes uptrend, until it becomes the uptrend. So got it? So if you're still holding on your hands, your coins, right? Let's say you bought it like 100K. I would rather you to sell it first. You don't think too much. No, lots of time, right? People always think about, hey, 100K, I believe that 3 years later only I sell off. You're going to lose a lot of opportunity cost, you know. In 2 years' time, maybe the price go down to 50K. The same money you can buy double your. Why not? Isn't it? So is it going to drop until 60K? I don't know, but I'm saying that the first. Okay, remember the first. I always like to draw a Fibonacci. The first support is 94K. The first support is 94K. You can refer on 94K. Okay, second support should be around 80K. Okay, this is what I'm like to draw. Always like to draw like this. Correct. And the third support 62. Okay. And the last 57. Wow. Okay, price given. You can mark down your price, set an alert. For me, I will set an alert. Set an alert, add alert on horizontal line. Add. For me, I can, because mine is a premium car, I can add lots of alert. Okay. So the alert added. So every time when it goes out the price, it will going to give me a signal. Save. Done. Got it? Is that clear? So if you say, well, David, I want to make money during this time, how? Okay, if you want to make money during this time, right, I would say go for short. Go for short. Hold your short until maximum. Keep holding short. Okay, I don't know how many of you already shorted, but please keep on holding short. If you really want to go for a safer short, right, you can wait until the price goes up to touches the red color, then you short from during that time. Okay, you know, going for short, right, you can make a great profit. It's not like making a 100% profit, you know. Let's say if you're going for short now, it goes down to about 80,000. Okay, 80,000, right? You make 20%. You make 20, almost 20%. Okay, I'll say it's 20%. You make 20%, right? But actually, you're not making 20. You know, you're making about. The calculation is like this. The calculation is, if you're going for short, right, 100K. If you short 100,000 and it goes down to 80,000, so basically you thought 20%. So 20%, 20,000 gap, but you need to divide by 80, but not divide by 100,000. Okay, 20,000 divided by 80,000, how much is it? It's about 25%. So if the price go down even lower, like let's say it goes down to 60,000, let's say it goes down to 60,000. So it's like 40,000 to 60,000. You're making about, I think it's about 65%, is it? Profit. Something like that. Why? Because your ROI is depends on the lowest price, not as the highest price. So your ROI can be more than 100%. If the price go down to 50,000 or maybe go down to 40,000, right, you can make more than 100. It can be 120, 130%. If you go into up to leverage like 2x, 3x, right, it's perfectly fine. Okay, if you say that David, I'm gonna go a bit of leverage, I would say 2 to 3x is good, but not too much. Not too much. Okay, you got it? Is that clear? Clear type clear, let me know, please. Okay, if yourself got trapped, right? For me, basically, I was trapped during this time, but lucky I think I was trapped because during that time I said, you can watch my last video. I'm saying that the gap is 113 to 103. This is the gap, but it overshot a bit for one day. Damn it! Then after the next day, it came back down here. So I almost got cheated. I almost got cheated. But lucky I say that, hey, maybe it's a fake pump. Okay, why not just wait for another day? If wait for another day, it came back down. Yes, lucky I didn't get to buy anything during that time. Okay, 3 days. Okay, that's the reason why I want to monitor 3 days. So is it every time you need to monitor 3 days? No, 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 no. No, it's because of this time only. I monitor 3 days. Okay, got it? Okay, Bitcoin going 90, 99, 99. Oh my God, it's 99,000. Oh my God, that's insane. Interesting part, man. So remember, don't be too directional based. Like Malasavi, if you want to buy more, you don't buy now, you wait until it's uptrend. Got it? Clear? Clear enough for you to take the money, 90. I remember about you get to make about 50% profit, isn't it? 50% profit in 116,000 enough already. Then we wait for the next one. If you say, David, if I want to go for a short right now, right? Also, you can short right now. It doesn't matter. You go for a small short first. Wow, a big one, a small one. You need to cut into a few different one. Okay. Wait. For me, I will take a risk like this. FIBO 109. So anything below 109 is safe. Anything below 109. So the resistance right now blocked until to 109,000 here. So you can make a short like this. Okay, a small short by risking 10%. Risking 10%, let's say you short now, you're risking 10%, you sell everything off. But what are you looking for? You're looking for maybe like 50, 40. You can do that. Okay, we wait for the first resistance first. 94,000. 94 cannot. You need to go up to like 80,000. 1 to 2 ratio. Put in 10,000. Okay, put in 10,000 damage cost. Maybe you're going to lose 10,000, but if you're profit, you can get 20K. Got it? 1 to 2. Okay, you said if you're saying that, David, can I go for furthermore? Okay, yes. You know, in 6 star last time we teach you how to do that. Okay, we teach you how to do that. When you go, you can short anywhere you want, but when it breaks the support, when it goes to 94 and break it, you can move your. Okay, see, guys, this is very important. Okay, take a look. You need to act like a staircase. What do you mean by act like a staircase? Right now, this is the price that you shorted. Okay, when the price broke the support, okay, it goes down to 92. Take away your stop loss. Let the profit fly. Okay, if it continue go down some more, okay, to 80,000, right? Then after that, you move your TP price to higher, higher and higher. That time you move to 93. Keep on moving your stop loss until it's uptrend. Then you sell everything off. Got it? You clear? This is where it helps some students with like Anson, like most of them last time, right? They keep on holding for the short, right? First of all, they earn a lot of funding fees. And secondly, they like triple up their account, 4 times their account because of this. Okay. You're protecting your capital like this. Keep on going for lower and lower and lower. Good. Is that clear, guys? Clear, let me know. About Ethereum also, no problem. Continue, just short it. Ethereum right now is still downtrend, definitely, I think. We are red in color. Congratulations. 3,002. Oh my god, it's so freaking sad. Downtrend. Run. Good. All the best. Any questions? No questions. I want to move to the next mentorship series. Okay, your Discord live setting cannot post picture. I got 3x one time, then lost already. Nasi Lemak, I remember your 3x is like long ago, you know. Don't stay with that. 3x. Watch my Instagram today. I posted the. Watch my Instagram. I posted the video that suits you. I lost 18 Bitcoin. Yeah, that one I think it's gonna help you more. Okay, great. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for your life, and see you next 2 weeks. Bye bye.